Hello and welcome to the Residual Royalty Academy. My intention on this channel is to show you how to go from zero to over $1,000 each and every month in passive income by publishing on Amazon. So you can see that today I won $268 up there. But in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can see and calculate how many of your books have ever sold since you started KDP. Now, I'm not talking about the total number of units. I'm talking about how many of the individual books. So if you've made 10 books, maybe 2 of them have sold 10 times, but we want to know how many different books have sold. So I'll show you what I mean here. So what we've got to do is go onto book report. So on the normal KDP report section, I can only go back 90 days and get a spreadsheet for that, which means that I wouldn't be able to see any further back than that. But what we can do with book report is simply this. Now, of course, I've blurred out all the titles, but what you want to do is copy all of this. I'm going to scroll down all the way to the bottom. Hit copy, and you can use Excel or Google Sheets. Of course, Google Sheets is free and it's online, so maybe that's preferable to you. Just hit paste, that's Control V. You will see that it shows all of the book report data here. So you can see, for example, this book has sold 240 times, this one is 140, but that is not what we're looking for. We're looking for the total number of our books that have sold and, the total number of books that have never sold. So we know that there's 2 here which aren't books, so we can subtract that at the end. But if we go down, you can see that's 592, which means that 590 different titles have sold. And I know that I've got 1,430 books live. You can obviously check that by going on book report or by just going to your KDP bookshelf and working it out from there. So that's 1,430. So if I do 590 out of 1,430, that's 0.41, but we want that as a percentage, so we go and hit the percentage button. Where is it? Here it is. So there you go. You can see that's 41% of my books have sold. So 60% of the books that I've made have never actually sold. But the more important part is how many have sold. So if you did want to work that out and you're interested to know, I would assume yours will be somewhere between 20 to 40%. Somewhere around there. I think mine used to be 30% last time I calculated this a couple of months ago. So obviously with Christmas, it's probably helped sell some more random units that didn't typically sell. And I just think it's quite an interesting figure to work out. And as you can see with this video, it's really easy to do. Just take all of your data from book report as far back as you can go, and then divide the number of books that have sold, which is the number of rows in here, by the total number of books you've got, and you'll come out with a percentage. So I do hope that that's been a helpful tutorial, and I will see you in the next video. Uploads are every Monday, Wednesday and Friday.